Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Percepta's Microsoft Project Desktop App Training Series. In this video, we'll walk through how to create a project overview report in Microsoft Project Desktop App, a quick way to get a snapshot of your project's progress, performance, and key metrics. Project overview reports are essential for project managers who need to communicate updates clearly and efficiently. They help you summarize project progress at a glance, highlight key metrics like budget, resources, and task completion, identify risks or delays early, and keep everyone, from team members to executives, aligned and informed. Let's create one together. Click on the Report tab at the top of the screen. Under the Dashboards dropdown, select Project Overview, and there it is, your Project Overview report. It automatically displays visuals showing overall progress, upcoming milestones, late tasks, and percent complete across all major areas of your project. You can hover over any chart to see more detail or modify it to fit your reporting needs. For example, updating visuals or adding company branding before sharing. Here are a few best practices for making your reports clear and impactful. Keep it focused on the most important information. Use visuals and charts to simplify complex data. Update your report regularly to reflect the latest progress. Highlight any risks or schedule changes early, and always review for accuracy before sharing with your stakeholders. And that's it. You've created a project overview report in Microsoft Project Desktop App. Thanks for watching this session of our Microsoft Project Desktop App Training Series. See you in the next video.